Sleep Export: How to Control Sleeping Snoring. Very simple exercise. 1. Snoring and winter connection. Research indicates that snoring may worsen in winter due to factors like increased air pollution, prolonged indoor exposure, viral infections, and winter weight gain. 2. Causes of snoring. Snoring results from air squeezing through a narrow or obstructed airway, potentially indicating larger issues like sleep apnea, often linked to factors like fat accumulation in the neck. 3. Tongue exercise solution. CEO Martin Seeley recommends a 30-second tongue exercise, moving the tongue in different directions to reduce snoring by 59% after just 3 nights. For additional tips for snorers, suggestions include using an anti-allergy pillow, avoiding dairy, sleeping on the side with a tennis ball, taking a pre-bed hot shower, and abstaining from alcohol. 5. Prevalence of snoring. Snoring is common, with 45% of adults snoring occasionally and 25% habitually, especially among overweight and older individuals. 6. Health implications of snoring. Snoring is linked to the development of diabetes, hypertension, and other diseases, serving as a key warning sign for sleep apnea. 7. Sleep apnea statistics. About 39 million American adults suffer from obstructive sleep apnea, with up to 94% exhibiting snoring, as reported by the National Council on Aging. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and join our social media handle.